All right, it is a really nice June day and the garage is empty. I've completely finished the boat. There's a few things that I didn't get on video. I didn't get the carpet going in and just some of the finalization of running the wires, hanging the motor. But anyway, let's get to it. I just want to give like a quick, give a little closure. So it's got a 1999 Johnson electric start, and it's like right here. So it starts right up. Telltale is strong. Shut this off. It's got a brand new 3-gallon tank. As you've probably seen, the live well and the bilge pump. A little kid that is not picking up the stuff he's supposed to be picking up. Got a Lowrance GPS unit. So it turns right on. And it's got that little ball so you can move it. 2 rod holders. A live well. And running lights. Aerator. Bilge pump. You can see your volts. Charge your phone. Smoke cigarettes. We have both batteries are brand new. Brand new deep cell up here. A foot pedal for the trolling motor. Trolling motor that moves on the foot pedal. And it's got like 3 different settings.
Dad,
like,
your video's going good.
Thank you, bud. So let's get on one. It is licensed to 2022. Brand new bearings, brand new brake lights, custom straps. What else? Are we forgetting anything else? It's got all the rod holders. No? Oh, it's got these, I think it's for a Canon downrigger.
And I
Got this rod holder, nice carpet.
I think these are for cameras and stuff.
Okay. And then you got rod storage on the sides. So something that I elected to do different than what it had is I wanted more space. I'm all about deck space. So it had these 2 chairs up front. It had this other chair in the back and storage. And it was just so cluttered that there wasn't any room. The gas tank will help with some of the balance. I'm sure that people go out fishing are gonna have a cooler to put up front and put all their tackle and stuff up front so it tows well down the road. Because if you don't have your weight distribution correct, it'll pull like shit and it'll move side to side. But I think that's it. I got it up on Facebook Marketplace right now. I'm gonna try and link this video to it so everybody that can see if it works, because buying used boats is a really dodgy business. But this one, for what it is, a 1981, the hull is completely redone. It's not a bad boat. The aluminum's not going bad, and the motor's still working. So hope you like it.